Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And following the video that I made about the push towards 25H2 that Microsoft started to say that, it was important to move on to 25H2 if you're on 24H2, because there's just a few months left for the 24H2 end of support. More and more people are actually saying that they are they restarted their PC, they shut it down in the morning, restarted the PC, and suddenly 25H2 was there. And I have a few comments that, people are like, well, I heard 25H2 is no good and I should stay on the 24H2. Honestly, 25H2 is fine. And it is a very small update. It doesn't push anything particular. It's really an enablement package. So it really is a quick update, and it's pretty painless and goes well. So if you do see it appear, or if you fear of it appearing, don't. It's fine. It's going to go through. It's a very small enablement package, like I said, and updates. The features that might be turned on by it are probably already turned on 24H2. This is kind of the interesting aspect of the enablement package, is that both versions have the same features, and it doesn't really have anything more than 24H2 because they're all coming together at the same time. And the same will be true of 26H2 also when it appears later this year. It will be a small incremental update of enablement package. So, when you're on 24H2, your build number is 26100, 25H2, 26200. And we see it already in the dev channel. 26H2 will be 26300. The build number is already updated there in the insider rings. So that means, the ending will all be pretty much the same, and it's very, very small incremental updates, as the features that will be turned on in 26H2 might already be turned on in 25H2, and even some are on 24H2. So it's like there's no clear divide of each version. It's like we're getting all the stuff, and there's updates, a small update like that arrives, and that's it. So don't worry about 25H2 being force updating your PC. It's fine. It will be okay. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.